Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. And in today's video, we're taking a look at this VOYEE controller that is compatible with the Switch. Now, the first thing I noticed about this controller is just how nice and smooth and fluid the joysticks are. They really have a good, nice feel to them, and they rebound back to the middle position very easily. Now, as far as the buttons on the right side here, they do have a little bit of height to them, so they're easy to find with your thumb, and you can easily go ahead and hit them. Now, if you notice in the middle of the controller, they do have all the buttons that you may need to control the Switch, such as the minus, the home, the screenshot, or the plus button. And I really like that they included those on the middle of the controller. Now, at the top of the controller, we have our bumpers, our USB-C charging port, and our triggers. And I did want to mention about the triggers that they do have a really nice and high quality, kind of sluggish feel to them. They feel very nice, and I really appreciate these triggers. Now, here's an awesome feature that I don't see on a lot of controllers, but it's kind of this controller's version of having paddles, and that is these two back buttons here. Now, they actually have a very clicky sound to them, almost like a mouse click, and they work really well. They rest really nicely where they should, and because they're low profile, they don't get bumped accidentally, and I think they're in a perfect spot that I can easily access them with my fingers. Overall, I think this is a very high quality controller and can definitely improve your gaming experience. With the backside buttons that are programmable, I think it's a very, very great find. And for that reason, I highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.